Oh my gosh. Woo! Oh my god. Oh my god. Viral Dubai chocolate.
So looking forward to it. I've been wanting to try this for so long, and you know it.
I know. And ever since you messaged me about it, I can't stop dreaming about it.
Hi. I'm gonna try my first bite in the morning. Chocolate.
I skipped breakfast for this.
You did?
I did.
Dubai chocolate, we finally got it. We got it sent from the company called
Cacao and cardamom.
From Houston, Texas.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. You know, I just love what they've done with like the gold on the top. It's so
It's
cute.
so beautiful. The decoration on the top.
All right.
Gonna open it.
Shall we?
Oh, it's kind of hot, so it's a little bit melting, right?
I know. All right. Taste test. Oh my gosh.
Ooh, oh, yay! All right, let's try it.
Okay.
Ready?
Ready? Let's go. I can't believe we're finally getting to try it. It's so good.
It's full of flavor. Pistachio
like-
flavor. One more bite.
It's like a little bit salted caramel too.
Wow, it's really good.
Cheers, cheers. You're sharing it with me.
Of
This
course.
is like really yummy.
Really tasty. Bon appetit. So good.